Good evening, and it's time for the weather forecast. We have reports of rainfall activities, particularly from Kasanta in Karonga, which recorded 54 millimeters of rainfall. Songwe recorded 46 millimeters. Iponga had 40 millimeters, 22 over Kaporo. Lesser rains were recorded over Morambo in Karonga and Musumbe in Chitipa, which recorded 4 millimeters. We should expect cool to mild conditions tonight and during morning hours over most parts of the country, with isolated rains over the north. Later in the afternoon tomorrow, it gets hotter over most parts of the country. This is all because we are getting some little moisture blowing from the Indian Ocean into Malawi. Expect to sustain rainy weather, particularly over the north, with clear skies over most areas along the central and southern parts of Malawi. So for tonight, we should expect clear skies over southern areas, the central, lakeshore, with rainy weather over northern and lakeshore areas like over Karonga and over Chitipa. We should expect mild conditions during morning hours over lakeshore areas with 21 degrees Celsius, around 20 over Ngabo and Sanje. Expect cool conditions over southern areas over Somba, Blantyre, Mulanje, and over central like over Longwe, Chinji and Kasungu with 15 degrees Celsius. Rainy weather expected during morning hours, particularly over the north and lakeshore areas like over Karonga, Chitipa, Kadabe, and over Likoma. Otherwise, more sunny skies across the central and southern parts of Malawi. It will get hotter later in the afternoon. Temperatures of around 28 degrees as the maximum temperature for Blantyre, Zomba, and Mulanje, around 30 over Longwe, Chinji, Kasungu, and Doa. On the other side is Ngabo and Sanje with 33 degrees Celsius. Friday is another rainy day, particularly over the north, like over Karonga, which might record a maximum temperature of 28 degrees Celsius later in the afternoon. Otherwise, just warm with some particular conditions over Dedza, Palombe, and hot over Kota with 28 degrees Celsius. Well, that's it for tonight, and have a good night.